Road trips, windows down, music up, adventure around every bend. There's nothing quite like the freedom of the open road, the wind in your hair, and the promise of new experiences just around the corner. But hold on. Before you hit the gas, let's talk food. Specifically, vegan food, prepped and ready to roll. Because let's face it, food is a big part of any adventure. And when you're on a vegan diet, planning ahead can make all the difference. Why bother? Picture this. You're cruising through a scenic byway, starving, and the only option is a gas station with wilted lettuce and mystery meat. Not exactly the fuel you need for your epic journey, right? Not exactly inspiring, right? Planning your meals means delicious, healthy food at your fingertips. Imagine pulling over at a beautiful roadside spot, opening your cooler, and enjoying a fresh, vibrant salad or a hearty vegan wrap. Now that's the kind of pit stop that keeps the adventure going. No more settling for greasy diner food or overpriced rest stop snacks. Those options not only lack nutrition but can also leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. Plus, it saves money and reduces waste. Win-win. By prepping your meals, you avoid the temptation of impulse buys and the high prices of convenience foods. And with reusable containers, you're cutting down on single-use plastics and doing your part for the environment. So, ditch the drive-through dread. With a little planning, you can have amazing vegan meals that fuel your journey and make every stop a tasty one. Whether you're traveling solo or with family, having your meals prepped means more time to enjoy the scenery and less time worrying about where your next meal is coming from. So pack those coolers, hit the road, and let your vegan eats be the highlight of your adventure. Packing for a vegan road trip is like a game of Tetris, but tastier. It's all about fitting in as much fresh, nutritious food as possible, while ensuring everything stays cool and fresh throughout the journey. Here's the deal. We want fresh, delicious food that can handle the journey. Whether it's crisp veggies, juicy fruits, or hearty grains, the goal is to keep everything as fresh as when you packed it. First things first, invest in a good cooler. A high-quality cooler is essential for maintaining the right temperature and ensuring your food stays safe to eat. Look for one with excellent insulation and a sturdy build. This keeps your food safe and your car free of unwanted smells. A well-insulated cooler will prevent any unpleasant odors from escaping and keep your car smelling fresh. Pack it tight with ice packs or frozen water bottles for maximum chill. Next, think about containers. Ice packs are great, but frozen water bottles can serve a dual purpose, keeping your food cold and providing refreshing drinks as they thaw. Mason jars are your new best friend. These versatile containers are perfect for a variety of meals and snacks. They're sturdy, reusable, and can keep your food fresh for longer periods. They're perfect for salads, overnight oats, and snacks. Layer your salads to keep ingredients crisp, and prepare overnight oats for a quick, nutritious breakfast on the go. Reusable containers and wraps are great for sandwiches and leftovers. Opt for containers that are leak-proof and easy to stack, making the most of your cooler space. Don't forget about the little things. Small items like reusable cutlery, napkins, and a cutting board can make a big difference in your travel dining experience. Reusable cutlery, napkins, and a small cutting board make eating on the go a breeze. These items are not only eco-friendly, but also add a touch of home comfort to your meals. A small cooler bag for snacks and drinks within reach is a lifesaver. Keep this bag handy for quick access to snacks and beverages without having to stop and rummage through the main cooler. With a little organization, you'll have a mobile vegan feast that's ready for anything. Plan your meals, pack strategically, and you'll be prepared for any adventure. Now let's get cooking. Whether you're heading to the mountains, the beach, or just a local park, your well-packed cooler will ensure you have delicious, fresh vegan meals at your fingertips. Start your day right with this easy protein-packed breakfast. Combine rolled oats, chia seeds, your favorite plant-based milk, and a touch of maple syrup in a jar. Let it sit overnight and voila, top with fresh berries and nuts for a delicious and filling start to your day. Lunch rainbow veggie wraps with hummus. These wraps are bursting with flavor and nutrients. Spread hummus on whole wheat tortillas. Layer with sliced cucumbers, bell peppers, carrots, spinach, and avocado. Roll them up tight, and they're ready to go. Dinner quick quinoa salad jars. These salad jars are a lifesaver when you're craving a hearty and healthy meal. Layer cooked quinoa, black beans, corn, chopped tomatoes, and your favorite veggies in a jar. Pack the dressing separately and toss it all together when you're ready to eat. Snacks, crunchy chickpeas and fruit salad. Snack attacks are inevitable on a road trip. Be prepared with roasted chickpeas seasoned with your favorite spices. They're crunchy, satisfying, and packed with protein. Pair them with a refreshing fruit salad for a sweet and healthy treat. Fueling your adventure healthy meals for the open road. When you're out exploring the great outdoors, the last thing you want is to be bogged down by unhealthy food choices. That's why we've curated a selection of meals that are not only convenient, but also packed with the nutrients you need to keep your energy levels high and your spirits even higher. These recipes aren't just convenient, they're packed with nutrients to keep you energized on your adventure. Imagine starting your day with a meal that fuels you for hours, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in the beauty of nature without worrying about your next meal. The overnight oats provide a slow release of energy to keep you going all morning. Made with rolled oats, chia seeds, and your choice of milk, this meal is easy to prepare the night before. Just add some fresh berries and nuts in the morning, and you have a delicious, nutritious breakfast ready to go. The veggie wraps are bursting with vitamins and fiber, making them a perfect lunch option. Fill them with a variety of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, cucumbers, and spinach, and add a protein source like hummus or grilled tofu. These wraps are not only healthy but also incredibly satisfying, while the quinoa salad offers a complete protein source. Quinoa is a versatile grain that pairs well with almost any vegetable. Add some cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and a light vinaigrette, and you have a meal that's both refreshing and filling. It's perfect for those hot summer days when you need something light yet nourishing. And don't underestimate the power of snacks. Healthy snacks can be a lifesaver when you're on the go. They provide that extra boost of energy you need between meals and can be easily packed into your backpack. Crunchy chickpeas are a great source of protein and fiber, making them an excellent snack choice. You can season them with your favorite spices and roast them for a crunchy, satisfying treat. They're easy to pack and perfect for munching on during a hike, while fresh fruit provides essential vitamins and antioxidants. Fruits like apples, oranges, and berries are not only delicious but also hydrating. They can be eaten on their own or added to other meals for an extra burst of flavor and nutrition. By choosing these healthy and delicious options, you're fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive on the road. Whether you're hiking up a mountain, driving along a scenic highway, or camping in the wilderness, these meals will keep you energized and satisfied. So, eat up and enjoy the ride. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination, and with these healthy meals, you'll be ready for whatever adventure comes your way. Don't forget to subscribe to the eGreen channel, the brainchild of Sayed Mustafa, a dedicated public health professional and visionary, committed to providing you with valuable insights for a healthier and happier life.